Kia ora koutou katoa, it's Mrs. Goodson here, and this video is all about the heart, how it works, what's its job, and it follows on from our other videos learning for Biology 1.0, our investigation into heart rate and respiration. So this is a picture of what your heart looks like. This is the outside of your heart. It sits in the middle of your chest and it just runs all day, every day without you having to think about it. Now, these blood vessels on the outside of your heart are really important, your cardiac blood vessels, because they carry blood straight from your heart with lots of oxygen to carry blood to the heart itself, because the heart is made up of a muscle. It's a really important muscle and it pumps all day every day, so it's really important it gets lots of oxygen. These are the different parts of your heart. This is the inside of your heart now. So the heart has valves that open. So this is a picture of your valve open and the valve closing. And when the heart beats, it opens and lets the blood in through the valves, and then the valve closes so that when the next pump, it can't go backwards. So that's the job of the valve, is to control the blood flow and make sure that the blood cannot flow backwards. So the blood comes back from your body. It's undergone respiration, so it's not much oxygen left in the blood. There's some carbon dioxide in the blood, comes into the top here. This is the right atrium. Then it comes through the valve into the right ventricle, which is the bottom bit here, and it comes up through this valve, and then it's going to branch off to your left lung and your right lung. So at the lungs, it's going to pick up oxygen, as we know, and then it's going to come back this side on the left atrium into here, down into your left ventricle, and then back up out the aorta. So the job of the heart is to pump, and it it sends the blood off to the lungs and also um, off to the rest of the body via the aorta. So that's what the inside of a heart looks like. So it pumps blood around your body. That's what your heart does. So the blood carries the oxygen and nutrients and waste products. And so the heart is part of your circulatory system, joined up with all of your blood vessels. So this is a picture that shows approximately where your heart is in the inside of your chest. It's under your rib cage. Your rib cage is protecting your heart and lungs, and its muscular walls expand and contract, pumping blood continuously all the time to all the different parts of your body. So, what happens when you exercise? When you exercise, your muscles need more oxygen. So, your heart rate increases to get oxygen gas, which has been stored in your red blood cells, into your body faster and remove carbon dioxide gas faster. Okay, so if we're exercising, we need more oxygen, so therefore our heart rate increases to pump the blood faster, because the blood carries the oxygen to every single cell in our body. So this video has been about describing the function of the heart, which is to pump blood, name the main parts of your heart, explain the heart's role in getting oxygen to the cells for respiration, and importantly for our investigation, explain what happens to the heart rate when you exercise and why your heart rate increases. Okay, so that's been this video all about the heart.